Stories are invaluable. They stem from the myths of our world, home of the birds of paradise. From their love dance, offsprings are born. The origin of life, of every story, and faith, nature, metamorphosis, journey, and humility. In the memories of the cathedral, both good and bad times emerge. The struggle keeps the world changing forever, and the sun gives hope that after each night, a new day begins. Hence, the writer doesn't hurry, riding towards a dream that becomes reality. Everybody has visions and ideas. Everyone looks up towards the future where living and lifeless, nature and technology unite. Only equilibrium provides happiness and freedom, to be found in the responsibility for one's own destiny and for the entire world.